Hey y'all, welcome to Q's Incorporated in Amherst, New Hampshire. I just want to show you one of the projects we're working on right now. Happens to be one of our customers' trucks that has a good chassis but a bad body. So we're actually taking the body off the truck and we're going to take another truck of theirs that has a good body but a bad chassis and swap the bodies out. This is the truck here. As you can see, it's in the air. We're getting ready to cut off the mount bolts and actually lift the body off the frame. And then we'll be bringing the other truck in here to remove the body and put them on there. We'll go ahead and show you the other truck and what it looks like and what we're going to be doing to it. Okay, so this is the truck that is the bad chassis that has the good body that we're going to be taking off and installing on their good chassis. There's a couple modifications that we're going to have to make to it. They do have longer chassis lengths.
So now we've secured the body of the vehicle and we're getting ready to cut some of the old bolts off that secure the body to the chassis. And then we're going to yank the body off of the crane and then we can transfer it onto the new chassis. Alright, so we just finished pulling the utility body off the truck and we're going to bring the other chassis in so we can put the newer replacement body on, or the good replacement body back on. So right now we're ready to take the better body, utility body, off of this truck so we can place it on the other vehicle that has a better frame on it. So we have the utility body off of this other truck. We're gonna roll this one out of here and roll back in the other truck so we can put the better bed back on it, and we'll shoot that in a minute. So we just got finished getting all the scale off the frame, and we undercoated it and applied some fluid film to it to help protect the frame for the customer. And now we're gonna reset the utility box bed back onto the frame. So now we're getting ready to set the bed back on the chassis. Alright, so we have the utility body back on our customer's truck and we have all the lights working again. Do a quick walk around. So this is a project that took this utility body off of a different vehicle. We placed it on this other vehicle because this other vehicle had a better frame on it and stuff. And we left the crane on it, the aerial bucket, and we had to kind of work all around that. There's a lot going on with this one. So then on the side, put an inverter in here, the battery box. So we hope you enjoyed watching us do this build. There's a lot going on with it, and if you need your service work done, give us a call. Our number here is 800-258-1010, and you can also click on the link in the description of the video. Go over to our service page and fill out a form to get some service work done. Thanks for watching.